What's up, Wiko fam? JC here from Wiko Tech, and for today's video, we are going French.
Nice.
We're going to talk about one of the newest smartphones in the market that is made by a French company called Wiko. Not Wigo of Toyota, but Wiko. We have here the Wiko T50 that was released last June 2022, and it is one of the first two budget-friendly smartphones from Wiko. Without further ado, let's get started. The Wiko T50 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 gaming chipset that has an octa-core CPU, clock at a maximum of 2 GHz, and partnered to it is a Mali G52 MC2 GPU, and inside it is 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. For its software, it runs on a clean Android 11, which makes the phone really neat on its software side without any bloatwares, and its battery capacity is 4000 mAh. A bit low than the usual, but it is backed by a 40 watts fast charging capability. The box also comes with its own USB Type-C cable and 40 watts charger. The Wiko T50 is known for its slim bezel display, and that is already what we've noticed right out of the box. It really gives off this very immersive experience, and it is evident when watching videos or playing games. Amazingly, it has a screen-to-body ratio of 94.58%, which is quite high against other smartphones which are usually 87% up to 89 or 90%. Its display is a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD edgeless display with a good 399 pixel per inch, and it supports 60 Hz refresh rate. Another thing with its display is that at a glance, I thought that it was using an AMOLED display, and this isn't far-fetched because its display gives great contrast and colors. It may not show true white and black colors, but in terms of other phones using the same IPS LCD panel, the Wiko T50 surely has a superb display for its kind and price range. Placed on its right side are the volume rockers and power button, which also serve as the fingerprint scanner. Its fingerprint scanner is very sensitive, and it can recognize the tip of my finger right away like in other mid-range to flagship smartphones. The buttons are quite solid and are easy to reach because it is located near the middle frame of the phone. The left side doesn't have any buttons, giving off a smooth and seamless look for the Wiko T50 phone. Located on its top frame are the 3.5mm audio jack and a secondary speaker, while the bottom part has a Type-C port, a speaker, and the SIM card slot. Going to the rear side, its back covering has this premium feel because of its glass-like plastic back. Mind you that the back is not smudge-proof, so we recommend for you to use a gel case at least to protect the phone while preserving its look and feel. We also have this slim camera module that houses the 64MP main shooter, an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro, and of course the LED flash. Its camera app has HDR, AI, and Google Lens integration. It also features 6 modes, which are professional, night, time-lapse, slow motion, super macro, and motion photo. The camera can also switch to panorama, bokeh, and beauty settings. The bokeh effect is actually quite good. With enough lighting, its camera can actually do its job well. During night settings, it still serves its purpose. Here are the shots that I took during daytime and nighttime. For a premium-ish looking smartphone, it is actually thin and light. weighing just around 179 grams, but it still feels sturdy. The phone is very comfortable to use even with just one hand, and you can still navigate up to 2/3 or 3/4 of the whole screen. If you're one of those people who are on a budget but love good contrasts and color, an immersive experience while watching videos or playing games, a good set of camera, and a clean operating system that doesn't have any bloatwares, the Wiko T50 is the one for you. The Wiko T50 is priced at 11,990 pesos, and you can buy it here in their official Lazada store and at other merchants. So what do you think of the Wiko T50? Is it good enough to be your daily driver? Let us know by leaving a comment down below. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button if you love this video. Do also stay updated with any content we post by clicking that notification bell. And don't forget to follow YugaTech on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And be sure to also visit yugatech.com for more of your favorite tech news and reviews. Again, this is JC of YugaTech, and have a good one.